Give me it, I'll bring it over there. Show me what you got.
I got big crayfish that I found.
Let's see it.
It's a boy. You can tell that it's boy
That's
because
like
it's a
good
big
eating
boy.
size.
Okay. Back down.
You got water all up in your boot. Oh, wait a second, wait a second. I know it's a snake, but I don't know what kind of snake it is.
Catch it with the net.
Here, give me your nut.
What is up, YouTube viewers? I am following my husband right now. We are in Ohio. It is extremely windy today, if you can't tell. I'm going to do my best to, as always, block the wind. But my lovely husband here has spotted a gigundo bullfrog. And he is going to try to catch it on a fishing pole using a worm.
Diver wants it as a pet.
And Diver wants a bullfrog as a pet. Ew, no, thank you. But let's go on this bear hunt and see if we can catch one, guys. Okay, y'all. He says it is up here in a grassy area. Oh, I see his head. Oh, I see him. Hey guys, I'm gonna zoom in real quick. He's down here, right here in the water. Hey, right here at the tip of my finger in this grassy spot is the bullfrog. Okay, right in that grassy area. Hopefully you'll be able to see him. Sweetie just dropped the worm in front of him. Okay. Find it. Find the worm.
That's my bullfrog.
That's your bullfrog?
Yeah.
That's your bullfrog? Look at this bullfrog he just caught on the line. Thing is huge. He dropped it right in front of the frog. The frog dove and got it, and he set the hook on it just in the corner of its mouth. Perfect. So we captured the bullfrog. Diver wanted one as a pet. So we're gonna take it over to Diver and go show it to him. Here's Diver on the run. He sees the prize in hand. Yeah. My best friend. Look how big that thing is. Oh, not bad.
Yeah, it's your pet, Diver.
You gonna hold him?
Hey, do you like your bullfrog you got?
Oh my goodness. Look at the size.
Excited?
Diver's already petting it. Like it's his bearded dragon.
They have a pet alone.
Leave your pet alone. You seriously want that as a pet? Oh God. I'm sorry. Apparently it was not recording when he had got that bullfrog. I could have swore it was. But he has caught a cricket. And there's a smaller bullfrog over here, and I'm going to try to re-record him getting another bullfrog. We are on the look for the bullfrog. We don't know where the smaller bullfrog went, so we're following along this to see if we can see it anywhere. Okay, he has spotted one. This time I am not going to stop recording. I'm going to keep it recording at all times. Okay, where's it at, sweetie? Oh, I see one. Okay, hold on guys. Let me see if I can zoom in.
You got it.
Oh, you got it. Okay, he's got it. Go. Oh no, he fell. We have found another one. So the other frog had took the cricket. So my husband grabbed the flower. You can see his head right down there. Oh, he's right in front of it. Dang it. I'm keeping it on him. So if you guys can see right here is the bullfrog. Oh no, sweetie, he swam away. Over my father-in-law over here on the other side has spotted another big bullfrog. Little one. Oh, I see him. I don't think the camera's. He got it! He got a little bullfrog. Oh, we got a fat belly on him. Oh, he came off the hook. Oh no, get him, Todd, get him, Todd, get him, Todd. He got off the hook. Get him. Ah, he got him. There and on another one. He's trying to go for it. While he's got the one frog in his hand. Let's see, I'm holding it like a pet. He got it! Oh no! He got it. What? It's a small bullfrog, so you got a leopard and a bull? Good job! Keep going! But if you look right here where this algae is at the tip of my finger, you'll see his head. It's a small one. Fishing pole and try to get. Now, since we can't get any bugs at the moment because we're on the go, we're actually using flowers like this, and we're putting that on the hook, and they're dangling in front of it just because of the slightest movement these frogs seem to jump for them. Okay, old school sinker is bait. Uh oh, he looks like he's gonna jump. He got it! Oh no, he let it go. He's still there. He's still there. Hurry up. Go back. Go back. You got it. Your sinker might be up too high though. Or I mean too low. Oh man, get it. Sorry guys, the wind's blowing. Don't foul hook. Bridge. Try to get one from above. Oh, I see his head. Okay. Oh, he jumped for it. He's got it. Ah, dang it. He swam away.
What?
God.
Yeah.
Oh, there's one over here somewhere right in front of me. What do you got, fish?
Bullfrog.
There's a bullfrog and a leopard frog.
This one?
Yep. Be careful. Hold on to them tight because they'll jump, sweetie. You gonna go take them back to the bucket?
Run.
Get it. He's gonna get it. He wants it. Oh! Hey, well that one got away, guys. So we're gonna move over to the next one. Okay, so straight off the bank right in front of me, you can see my husband dangling his little flower down. Oh, he dove for it. I don't know where he went, but I was just looking at your face of defeat. He has spotted another one. Trying to get the phone. There he is. Okay, I got the phone to focus on a little bit. Oh, get it. You got it. You got it. Dang!
2 hours later. I don't think he'll mess you up. Aiden should catch it. He likes this.
Comes. Go, it's going your way.
Fisher, he's right there. See him? He's under the tile. I see him. Push him. I see him.
Wait, let it come to you.
Ready? Watch out. This is her.
Got it?
Yeah.
Now hold it. Hey. Ew, you're grabbing right where he squirts stuff. What'd you catch?
A garter snake.
Okay, let's go leave him go. You gonna go leave it in the trees over here?